Let's assemble the Solar Sparrow. Cut all straps and remove all pinch clips. With a friend, carefully lift the bike from the box and place it on the floor. Don't forget the parts box. Cut all zip ties around the bike. When removing the cone nut covers, make sure the cone nut spacer has not been taken off. The same applies on the other side. Once you have everything out of the box, you should have a Solar Sparrow, front fender, front wheel, and a parts box with a Euphree bag, L-shaped 5mm Allen wrench, right and left pedals, Euphree stickers and SP Connect mount, front light, reflectors, multi-Allen wrench, and a charger. With the 4mm Allen wrench, unscrew all the stem bolts so we can install the handlebar. Screw back the stem bolts, but don't tighten them all the way. We will come back to this later. With the 5mm Allen wrench, remove the front fork axle. Be sure to remove the disc brake caliper pad spacer before we install the front wheel. Have your friend pick up the bike so you can align the wheel with the disc brake and the front axle. Using your 5mm wrench, tighten the front fork axle. Now, we'll kick out the kickstand. With the 4mm wrench, remove the bolt behind the front fork. Funnel the fender in between the top of the tire and the inside of the fork. Hand tighten the bolt back behind the fork. Remove the fork bolts on both sides of the fork. Align the legs of the fender to the fork mounts and tighten the bolts back on. Make sure the fender sits evenly on both sides. Now you can tighten the bolt behind the fork. When installing your left pedal, screw it in the direction you would pedal. In this case, you will screw it counterclockwise. Using a 15mm wrench, tighten the pedal. When installing your right pedal, screw it in a clockwise direction if you are facing it. Tighten the pedal with your 15mm wrench again. To install your front light, pull one end over the handlebar, using the 3mm Allen wrench to tighten the light. Find the cable with the red tip and align the pins. You should hear a pop. To adjust your handlebar height, use a 5mm Allen wrench to unscrew the bolt on the side of the stem. You can position the handlebar to your liking. Once you have your desired angle, retighten the bolt on the stem. Position the handlebar to your liking and tighten all the stem bolts with a 4mm Allen wrench. Find your stem bolt cover and push it onto the hole. To install the SP Connect mount, remove the rubber cover on the stem. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, tighten the bolt. This mount works with all SP Connect products like this phone case. Great job! You built your very own Solar Sparrow.